Okay, so here we are, Christmas has come and gone and all of our festive decorations have been put away, which leaves a lot of us feeling like our homes are empty and sad, and we've just got to fix that. So in today's video, I'm going to share my best tips and tricks on how to bring back some of that cozy magic ambiance that we all love about the holidays and basically just add a little happy to our homes. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do to make our homes less sad is to add lighting. Think about how inviting and warm our homes are when we have our Christmas trees up and all of our light up decor, just how nice and lovely that feeling is. So one way to kind of bring back that feeling is to light candles. So the soft flickering glow of a candle really helps to create a cozy, calming ambiance while also enhancing the visual appeal of any room. And don't be afraid to use LED candles. Technology has come such a long way with these, and while in the past it was hard to find LED candles that looked real, there are so many today that look fantastic and mimic the true look and flame of a real candle. I have LED candles all over my home and all of them are on timers. They're all set to come on right as it's starting to get dark outside, so that's another advantage to using these. They turn on each night by themselves without you having to light them, unlike a real candle that you would have to remember to light yourself. I especially love the way LED candles look inside lanterns and glass candle holders. I recently picked up these glass candle holders from Walmart, and the texture on the outside paired with the flickering of the LED candles on the inside makes for such a stunning centerpiece. Now, I just mentioned timers, and those can be especially great this time of year when we have really short days and what can feel like extremely long, dark nights. And one of my favorite new finds is this timer light bulb. You just turn your lamp on and set how long you want the light to stay on. And every night, without fail, the light bulb will turn on at that exact time and stay on for the amount of time you selected on the bulb. So you'll never find yourself sitting in a completely dark, depressing feeling home. Okay, so my next lighting tip is to use night lights. Yes, night lights are not just for kids anymore. There are some really fancy ones out there for adults, and these are my favorites. So they are dusk till dawn night lights. They have light sensors on them, so they automatically turn on at night, and then they're off during the day. The design is sleek and modern. The light comes out at the top and also the bottom, elongating the look of your walls, and the light is dimmable, which brings back some of that pretty soft lighting we lost when the holidays were over. Okay, so another cool item are these cordless table lamps. They allow you to easily take your lighting from room to room. You just charge them up, and once they are fully charged, they can last for up to 32 hours. There are 3 brightness levels, and you can take this lamp to the bathroom, the bedroom, the kitchen, place it in the hallway if you want, basically wherever you want a warm glow. Okay, so next let's talk about fireplaces, and whether you have a real gas electric or virtual fireplace, do not underestimate the visual appeal and even the calming effect a fireplace creates. And it's so easy these days to get a fireplace glow with my electric fireplace. I can turn it on with the touch of a button, and there are thousands of fireplace videos all for free on YouTube. Just let that play on your TV or on your computer. See, I can even pull up a mini fireplace here on my phone. And another tip, there are thousands upon thousands of cozy ambiance videos on YouTube, again, all for free, that can help create a warm environment and boost the happiness level of your home by just playing the video on your TV. And the last lighting tip I have to share with you is to not forget about the outside of your home. So imagine, if you will, 2 homes at the end of a street. On the right, there's a house that is dark. It's not lit up on the outside at all. And then on the left, there's a house that is beautifully illuminated by outside light. Which house looks most warm and inviting and happy? And obviously it is the one that has the lighting on the left. So consider investing in some sort of outdoor lighting, and it doesn't have to be expensive outdoor lighting. So we have these solar spotlights. I cannot recommend them enough. I love these. I've had them for about a year now, and they come on every single night, and they illuminate the outside of our home without having to install any complicated or expensive electrical wiring. We also have string lights that go all the way around our back patio. These are on a plug-in timer and come on every night, again, right when it gets dark, and they really do add a touch of whimsy and happy to our home. Okay, so the next tip to make our homes less sad is to use greenery. And did you know research has linked the visual presence of greenery with positively impacting our mood and making us feel more cheerful and content? And especially this time of year when there's not a lot of greenery to be found outside, everything just looks so dull and cold and gray. Putting some greenery indoors can make your home feel happier and give you an improved state of mind. So you can go real or fake with your greenery. I tend to go the faux route in my home because I do have a very cute cat who I care about very much, and a large number of common plants are considered to be toxic to cats. So I just play it safe there, and it can be a little difficult to find greenery that looks real, but after lots of searching, I have found some really beautiful natural looking faux plants. I'll have them all linked down in the description box below, and just the little pops of greenery really helped to bring back the life that was sucked out of the house when our Christmas trees had to be put away. I also really love moss bowls. Those are really easy to set out on an entryway table or on a coffee table, and little greenery arrangements like this really liven up areas that were lacking in color. The next tip to make your home a happier place is to personalize it, and I have found the best way to personalize a space is with photos, and not just any photos, but photos of things that make you feel happy. Maybe it's your pet, your kids, your spouse, a pretty photo from a vacation you went on, a beautiful sunset. Maybe it's a photo of yourself when you were looking or feeling your best. Anything that sparks joy, frame it. Now, one easy way to display photos is with magnetic photo frames. These are acrylic, I get them from Amazon, and you just print off your photos, place them in the frames, and put them on your refrigerator. We have a couple of these on the side of our refrigerator, and what's so cool about these is you can easily switch the photos out. You can also, of course, put photos in pretty picture frames, and that's another thing I've been doing is putting some of my favorite photos into frames around our home, and it does make me so happy looking at those special memories. Next, don't underestimate the value of focal points in your home. So typically when we are decorating for the holidays, we have just different centerpieces and holiday decor out that really draws the eye. Well, once those are gone, our houses can feel so empty and sad. So really focus on different decorative trays, maybe a stack of books, a bowl of fresh fruit, anything that can draw the eye in your home is really going to help it feel more full and more lively, and it will just draw the eye, add interest, and make our homes look a lot happier. Next, let's talk about texture. Incorporating texture into your home can really make it feel more inviting and warm, and of course happier. And you can incorporate texture by putting out a faux fur throw that you can't wait to cuddle up in, or a chunky knit blanket that looks inviting draped over a chair. You can also add texture with throw pillows, rugs, curtains. Adding or switching out those items can really help to create a rich, inviting space that feels polished and full of character. And another tip, don't forget to decorate with baskets. Baskets are a great way to add texture, and they could add warmth to a space and can be used for storage to help keep a home tidy and decluttered. And speaking of decluttered, look around your home. Is your space filled with clutter? Is it unorganized? This is the perfect time of year to declutter, get organized, because I think we all know a clean, organized home often feels more inviting and uplifting, which can boost overall happiness and motivation. So go ahead and donate those clothes and decor you're not using anymore. And if you're someone who is passionate about home decor and seasonal styling like I am, letting go of old or unused items can feel freeing and symbolic of new beginnings. Okay, so next is a personal favorite of mine when it comes to making your home a happier place to be, and that is to focus on scent and taste. So brew some coffee, bake some cookies, light a really good smelling candle. All of those things can really contribute to making your home a happier place to be. I know every single morning I brew coffee, and I really look forward to having a nice cup of coffee. I make it special. I froth some creamer, yes, creamer, and it makes for such a nice cup of coffee that does make me so happy every single morning. And this weekend we actually had a winter storm roll through, so we were locked inside, and one way that we kind of boosted our mood was to make some cinnamon rolls. And not only did the cinnamon rolls taste really good, they also filled our entire house with a just delicious smell, and it just made our house a happier place to be in the middle of all this snow and ice. And my last make your home happier tip is to play music. Yes, there is not a room in this house that does not have some sort of device in it that can play music. Upbeat and cheerful music releases dopamine and serotonin, the brain's feel-good chemicals, which can improve your mood and create feelings of happiness. Listening to calming music can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. It can help you feel more relaxed and at ease. Music can be a distraction, it can be a mental escape, and music just has a unique ability to uplift our mood and enhance our well-being and make our homes a little happier. All right guys, well that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're going to be incorporating any of these tips and tricks into your home to hopefully make it feel a little less empty and a little less sad after the holidays. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and until my next one, I'll see you then.